Now Henry is ready to start the restorations with mechanical maestro Allen.
What do you reckon?
Looks really nice from first impressions. It's got a really cool engine as well. There's Johnson 4 horsepower, but they're very technically involved. So if it works, it's going to be great. But if it doesn't work, it's going to be a lot of work to fix. We'll put some fuel in it, turn it on, see if it works.
2-stroke mix?
Perfect, 32 to 1.
Well, I can't guarantee that, but it works for my strimmer.
That's probably right then, that'll be fine.
Right.
But with the fuel mix in, no joy.
Let's take the choke off.
Yeah, dribbling. Alan!
That was doing something though, wasn't it?
It was doing!
Then, after a careful examination of the plugs, which are working,
With master spark on one.
Al finds there's a vacuum in the fuel tank,
That's not very good, is it?
so no juice has been getting through.
That's it, Alan, it works!
I think that's going to be fine.
Well, look, tomorrow we clean. Now then, who's going to do the cleaning?
You.
I was thinking more Guy.
That's Henry's oldest mate, who often goes by the nickname Skid.
Once we get Guy involved, it'll be 3 men in a boat.
From 3 men in a boat to 2 men and a train.
It's really, really, really nice. And well made.
If we're going to put that battery that you're getting on charge there, then do we need a bracketry or something?
We
for
do,
that
and
battery?
bend it down, make a nice little strap over here.
Okay, so look, this is the plan. You're going to make the brackets, then I am going to find a outside model railway to give this a whizzle on.
Definitely.